And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last month and how the price of natural gas can move in the next month. See, looking at this particular chart, what we can see, after making a high of around $9.9, the price of natural gas has made a low. Okay, and this low was around $2.068. After that it tries to make this particular, as you can see, this is the green candle formed after continuous fall. Okay, and then it tries to go upside. It has already made a high of around 2.598, and now for this particular month we have seen it is forming red candle. Okay, this is the first thing. The second thing is that after pandemic, what we have seen, a pattern is created. If you look at weekly chart also and monthly chart also, there is a pattern forming. Okay, and what this pattern says that whenever hit its previous high, we have seen a sharp fall comes. Okay, and this sharp fall is from 20 to 50 to even 100%. This is 100% fall we have seen in the price of natural gas. Okay, this is the effect of a war situation was there, pandemic situation was there, Fed was continuously increasing the rate and USD getting strengthened, and the CPI data always keep on creating volatility in the market. Okay, now before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next month, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. See, we have not seen so much of volatility as we have seen in this period of time. Okay, because after pandemic the situation for natural gas has been affected the import and export, so that is where the price has been so volatile. Okay, now when the market is volatile, always remember to reduce your quantity to half, increase your SL and target by twice. Okay, so that your SL should not hit and it should focus more on target. Okay, but suppose if you did not change your SL and target, keep the quantity and that same in the volatile market, your SL will hit before your target most of the time. Okay, now suppose if the price sustain this particular level, as we have seen a swing is trying to form at this particular level. Okay, and remember something, that the market will not make sharp upside or downside movement till the time there is no big news. Okay, it will move like this normally. Okay, if it has to go upside. Okay, if it has to come down, it will hold for some time, then it will come down, to hold for some time, then it will come down like this. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, then what we can see, it can come down towards $2.310, which is its next support, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can come towards a level of $2.26. Suppose if the price fall below that particular level, chances of touching a level of 2.097 is there, and if that level move further low, then we can see a level of $2.040. Okay, and suppose if the price fall below that particular level, chances of touching 1.930 is there, and then once it fall below that level, it can go further down towards a level of $1.863. And okay, and once the price fall below 1.8, then chances of going further low will be there, and it can touch a level of around $1.635. Okay, and if that level also move further low, then we can see it can cross a level of $1.57. This $1.57 is a weak support, so chances of falling further down towards 1.505 will be there, and once it fall below this particular level, it can go further down. Okay, so you have to remember, once it started falling below 1.5, then we can see it can go further down. I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. But suppose if it form a swing at this particular level, it can go towards a level of $2.441, and if that level move further upside, then we can see a level of 2.598. Okay, because you cannot predict that the market go in one direction. It will hold for some time and then will go upside, as well as it will hold for some time, then it can go further down. The price, it is moving in the range of $3 to a level of $2 of natural gas. Okay, so you cannot say that the market overall trend you can guess, but if the volatility is high, it can come down $1 also, can go upside $2 also. So always trail your SL if you're in profit, and keep your SL properly. Okay, suppose if the price sustain, it can go towards a level of $2.598, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around, if that level goes further upside, 2.784. okay, that is the next resistance. Okay, and once it goes above this particular level, it can cross a level of $2.978 to a level of $3.004. Okay, and once it goes above $3, then I have already explained you that the price it is moving for so long, so we can see it can go further upside and a probability of touching a level of 3.067, and once it started going upside it can cross a level of $3.4. Okay, and this $3.4 is already a weak resistance, chance of going further upside is there. Then we can see it can touch a level of $3.77, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $4.15. If the price move up that level, then we can see it can go further upside because of the gap is pending at a level of 4.1 to 4.35. Okay, if the price come towards 4.1, chances of touching 4.35 is on a higher side, and it can go further upside if the price sustain. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Okay, now if you are trading, you have to be very careful because the market is very volatile. Okay, so suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Some of the things which I teach in the workshop, I'll tell you. See, that comes to 1,000 to 1,500. Risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. 5 trades also, maximum risk will be $500, 500 to $100. Okay, so if you lose 500, it will not affect your psychology for a day. Okay, then you can trade the next day for more. You will focus more on profit. But what people do is they lose so much, and in the process of recovering that, they lose their full capital. This is what they do. I teach how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.